Okay, this is about William Wells. What's his name? Brown. William Wells Brown, an ex-slave who was an orator and an author. He was born a slave and he didn't get free until 20, but he taught himself how to read and educate himself. And he said, while people sleep, he read because he had so much to make up for, being freed at the age of 20. He wrote several bestsellers. He wrote many books, several bestsellers. Imagine that he was a slave. And his birth is an example of the many exploitation of the black woman because his father was a Caucasian man. So that was so much exploitation, exploitation of the black woman. But I said he was orator. William Wells Brown, an orator, an abolitionist, an author, and like a lot of escaped the slaves who were intelligent, a lot of them went to England, especially during the time of the Fugitive Slave Act. But there was British men who brought his freedom because he escaped from freedom, but he was still subject to the Fugitive Slave Act, which was enacted in 1850. William Wells Brown, a great uh, American, an ex-slave. And as I said, his mother, who was half African and half was so-called Native American, had 7 children by 7 different fathers, seven different men. Of course, like I said, William Wells Brown, father, was a Caucasian. His mother was but half black and half so-called American Indian. But William Wells Brown looked like he had the complexion of like an Obama or something, right like that. It shows like even after slavery, where he becomes educated himself to have written many bestsellers.